Today's sticky note fact is that your taste buds are replaced every 1 to 2 weeks. The cells on your taste buds wear out quickly, but don't worry, they regenerate every 10 to 14 days. That's why you can keep enjoying your favorite flavors throughout your life. Fun fact, even though your taste buds regenerate often, your sense of taste can change over time. That's why some foods you didn't like as a kid might taste better when you're older. What's your favorite food? How do you think your taste buds help you enjoy the flavors? Pause and discuss with your class or leave a comment with your answer. And that's today's sticky note fact. Remember to like and subscribe and have a great day.